Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshiaki from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this model's headshot a long time ago. Well, I have this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. I don't know if I'm going to use this pencil drawing type image today. And this is black and white 35mm film. Well, I'm going to colorize today and concentrate to colorize this image. I'm going to make something creative color, hopefully. Well, let's get started. Real simple headshot. I'm going to move this empty layer over this black and white image. Then paint skin tone first with the basic to soft round opacity for skin tone. Well, I'm going to change blend mode on this. Blend mode normal to color. Okay, I'm gonna, let's see, smudge tool, basic to scene, soft round opacity. Let's see now. Okay, almost. Well, now I'm gonna add color, layer for background. Background colors. Well, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna change blend mode, color, then maybe yellowish orange. Let's see. There's a key light for background, so nice to add yellowish key light, edge light. Okay, maybe just a touch. I'm gonna fix her makeup a little bit too much reddish. Okay, now let's see the smudge tool. Okay, change this blend mode back to normal. So we see that rough texture of the paint. Now I'm gonna smudge. Let me see, turn these off. Maybe though this is now soft round opacity. Maybe I gotta try change to dry media to pastel square. I think this one is nice blend in. Like smudge tool, we can take out the edge. Much smoother. Then when you change back to color, yes, much easier. Okay, now go back to color. Then the next one is this background. Change to normal. It's pretty much smudged, blend in. Yeah, I guess that's alright. Okay, now back to color. Then turn it on, this base black and white image. Now we see about this background. Let me see if I change appearances to hue saturation. Affect only this background. Then change hue. Lightness go down. Maybe dark pink. Okay, now just leave it this way. We can change it later. A little bit dark pink, huh? Alright. Now let me see. Let me play with this background key light. I'm going to add layer over this model's face color tone. Very top, huh? Okay, add layer. This is for key light. Let's see. What kind of brush? Well, mixer brush. Brushy mixer. I don't know, just want to see it. Let's see, and the key light is light yellow. Oh, okay. Now I'm going to bring back same thing, basic to, yeah, same thing, soft round variable. Let me see. It's kind of interesting. Then let me see, I'm going to smudge. Then let's see, change this key light. Now it's normal to linear burn screen. Well, overlay, touch overlay gives effect. Yeah, screen, maybe color dodge. It's alright. Linear dodge, close. Pretty much same. Lighter color. Yeah, just leave it overlay. Won't disturb much. Yeah, just leave it overlay effect. Blend mode, I mean. Well, I guess that's it for Colorize Model's headshot. Yeah, background is kind of pinkish, dark purple. It's okay, I think, and I may smudge some more on like her skin tone. Smooth out. Yeah. Well, I think that's it for today for Colorize, and tomorrow I want to try this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to, I want to make something illustration type image, so I may try like well, vivid light, pin light, 50, just a touch more, maybe, I don't know. Luminosity is interesting image too. Well, that's for tomorrow. Back to normal. Max. Turn it off. Now we got this base image from, well, this black and white image. Add color on her face. Then add background. First of all, background was kind of orangerish. Add appearances, change hue saturation to get kind of purple color. Then I add this key light from behind. Add some yellowish, change to overlay blend mode. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Good day.